Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 2. I've already done this, and I think it came out superb, and I said it in the Part 1 that this is probably the easiest thing you could ever trace. It's just so straightforward. I'm going to go ahead and take the transparency tool. I'm going to make it more transparent so we can see my lines better when I draw them, and you can see them better. So I'm just going to take 2-point line. Now, we could start off with a triangle. Granted, but I think we can get close enough. So I'm just clicking on the corners. And that way, if I get a little off, I can be there. Now, we're going to go from here to here. We're going to go from that corner to there. So we're just making sure we hit these lines. So I want to double check my first line. Yep, we're there. That's all that's to it. And then we're going to go ahead and take another line, and we're going to go from that same point outwardly. Now, if a triangle was something that you could readily rotate, we could just draw one of these and rotate it. I'm a little bit off on that one, I can tell, but you can grab your shape tool. And then I would just check all my corners, and we're pretty good. Now, this is a group, so I can nudge it out of the way. And, well, let's take this back from the transparency. So we got it selected. Just zoom it up. Now we're going to use these same colors. And I did that on the first one. So I'm just going to use the Smart Fill tool, get my eyedropper, and I'm going to get this blue and put it here. I'm going to get my eyedropper. Don't worry about the shading right now. I'm going to get my green. I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to get my purple. Eyedropper is very helpful. Now, the rest of it is just black. And I'm going to just take my Smart Fill tool and get and probably you're going to print this. So you see, I'm like, hey, I'm getting so used to using RGB. We're just going to use black. Fill that in with black. Now, I can see some green to yellow and some blue to white, but on the purple, I can't see anything. So we're going to select the blue and get your interactive fill tool. It's just a light transition of color. Let's just see if we can make it a little bit. And this could actually be white, like it was, but we probably need to extend it out a little more. It'll look better when we take away the line. Same thing on the green. I'm just going to go here, but now I think it's got a little yellow in it. Maybe too much yellow, so we'll lengthen that out. Now, if we go here now and right-click No Outline, I'd be pretty surprised especially because it's so fuzzy, somebody could tell me there was a difference between the two, if that wasn't their logo. Maybe this is a little bit too much white up top, so let's go to Object, Group, and ungroup it. Get the Interactive Fill tool again and see which one we've got picked, and I'm gonna just put a little light blue in there. And I think we're good. And you can play around with that. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.